Hello, welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to disable and then reset your PIN number on your Roblox account. So if you're locked out of your account and you forgot the 4-digit PIN to log into a Roblox account, whether you're a parent or you're a kid trying to get access, what you'll need to do is tap the More option at the bottom of the screen with the 3 dots and the circle around it to take you to the options here. And then I want you to scroll down to where you see something that says Settings. It'll have a gear icon and a star next to it. And then once under Settings, go to Parental Controls about midway down through the settings there. And then you're going to see something that says Parent PIN, and it should say Parent PIN is enabled. So after you've tried everything and exhausted all of the options that you think that it might be, you want to go back to the settings. You can either go back to the home here and then tap the More option. It takes you back to all the options here. And then scroll down to where you see something that says Help and Safety. Tap into Help and Safety, and then tap the first option that says Help at the very top. Under the search for articles, just type in the word PIN, P-I-N. And then if you do that, you can scroll down and you should see something, a couple options down that says, I forgot the PIN. Tap into I forgot the PIN. It'll then bring up this option, says, once the PIN's added, but you'll see a blue link that says, please use contact form. Just tap into the contact form. It'll take you directly to the Contact Us page where you can then type in your username, first and last name, and then here where it says issue details, just hit the drop-down menu and then choose the device that you're on or that you use, and then go to type of help category, tap the drop-down menu and go to account hacked or I cannot log in or can't log in, and then tap this here and you can see there's an option here that says account PIN. And then right there where it says account PIN, make sure you have all of those options selected. And then right there under description of issue, I just typed in, I forgot my 4-digit PIN code and I'm locked out of my account. Please reset, turn off the PIN, please. And then you go ahead and tap continue. You have to confirm once more once you log in, and that will send that form to the Roblox team. And from what I've gathered from people doing this, it takes about 24 to 48 hours, sometimes sooner, sometimes a little later than that, and you should receive an email stating, hey, you need to confirm something on your account, then we'll remove the PIN and you'll be good to go. So that's it. If you forgot your PIN, that's how you reset it. You just go to this form, fill it out, takes like all of 5 to 10 minutes, and you are good to go. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.